As you're working on your project, you may come across a line that does not have a nice integer y-intercept, or maybe the y-intercept is off the edge of your paper and you can't see what it's going to be. If that's the case, you can go through these steps to find the y-intercept for your line. We're going to look at this red line. You can see the y-intercept is somewhere here between 4 and 5. And we need to figure out exactly what it is. So the first thing we're going to do is we will find the slope of the line. So let's draw our slope triangle here from -3, 4 up to 5, 6. We know to find our slope we need our change in y divided by our change in x. Our change in y is 2. And our change in x is 8. Our line is positive, so our slope will be 2 over 8. We do want to simplify that to 1/4. So the second step is we want to go ahead and write the equation with the slope. So our equation in slope-intercept form is always y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is the y-intercept. We know the slope is 1/4, so we're just going to substitute that in for our slope, y equals 1/4 x, and we will leave our y-intercept for now just as the letter b. So y equals 1/4 x plus b. Next, I know that any point on my line will make the equation true, so I'm just going to pick one of my points and substitute in the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. I think I'll use -3, 4. So my y-coordinate is 4, and my x-coordinate is -3. My equation will be 4 equals 1/4 times -3 plus b. Step 4, I'm going to solve the equation to find the y-intercept. The first thing I need to do is multiply 1/4 times -3, and my new equation will be 4 equals -3/4 plus b. To solve for b, I need to add 3/4 to both sides of the equation. And that gives me b is equal to 4 3/4. Now I want to look at my line and make sure 4 3/4 is a reasonable value for my y-intercept. So here it is. It's right here, somewhere between 4 and 5, closer to 5. So 4 3/4 seems like that's a reasonable value. The last step is I want to rewrite the equation of the line with both the slope and the y-intercept. So I'm going to go back to the equation, y equals mx plus b. But now I know both my slope and my y-intercept. So my equation will be y equals 1/4 x plus 4 3/4.